which of the following which of the following are prime implicants are which of the following prime implicants are essential? Which of the following prime implicants are essential? They have given the K map. So try to solve A B C 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. There should be like 1 1 1 and 1 1. Options are B bar C, A bar B, A bar C, A bar B, A bar B, AB bar, A bar B, AB bar, B bar C. Can you try to find out this one? Option? Right? So basically we can think of this one. So prime implicants first. This is a prime implicant, and this is a prime implicant. This is a prime implicant, and this is also a prime implicant. How many prime implicants are there? So I think this is 1, A, B, C, D. So total 4 prime implicants are there. Now among these 4, which are essential prime implicants? Can you able to define directly? Yes sir. How? Any one of the 4? What you have to do? You have to simply follow the same procedure, right? So you have to do, right? So what are the values you are going to get? You are going to get the values as one is A bar B, another one is AB bar, A bar C, another one is BC, another one is BC. And what are the values which are available in one location? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? If you observe here, this is 1, this is I think 2, this is like 4. Is it 5? Yes, 5 and 6. Is it 6? Right? Yes, it is 6. So if you are going to take it as a 6, is it correct now? Why 3 I have included? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now try to do this. Where are the ones? So how we got A bar B? Vertical A. Because of this reason. Because of vertical A. Vertical A means what? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. How we got A B bar? Because of this D. 2 and 6. How we got A bar C? Because of this. Because of 4 and 6. How you got BC? Because of this, right? Uh, because of 4 and 5. Because of 4 and 5, you got as B. No, 4 and 5. You have to. Why you got A bar B? A bar B you got because of 1 and 5, right? 4 and 5 you haven't included. So for 4 and for A bar B, what is the result? For A bar B, 1 and 5 is correct, right? What is this one? BC, is it correct? 4C, 4 5. For 4 5, what you are going to get? C, okay. A bar C. A bar C is 4 5. What is 4 6? What is 4 6? C is compulsory. C is compulsory and A changing, right? B bar, right? So B bar C. So B bar C is the correct. Right? This is the one. So from this one, what you have to do? You have to take out the common one, single numbers, right? So try to take out A bar B. If I include A bar B, I have to take out 5 also, right? So you can be able to remove simply these and this, right? A bar B should be in the answer, right? If I remove these two, what is another one? I have to include AB bar. As AB bar is including, I have to remove 6 as well as 2. 6 as well as 2, right? A bar B and AB bar, right? Now, now 2 are remaining. Now 2 are remaining. Is these two are essential? Is these two are essential? Try to think. Can I take B bar C as essential, or can I take A bar C as essential? Which one is essential? You can't take anything, right? You can take either one, right? So either one you can take. So your final expression will be A bar B plus A bar B, A B bar, A bar C, or A bar B, A bar B, A B bar, or B bar C. So your essential prime implicants are compulsory, these two, and these two are not compulsory again. Anyone they can able to include. So your answer will be option C. So this is somewhat tricky question actually. That's why I discussed here.